James from Nanny Coke. What are you up to, hon?
Hey, how's it going today?
It's going as good as it can be, I guess.
Oh, that's good to hear. My call was about now being a good time to get a job. I'm 28 years old. I lost my job during the pandemic. The construction company I worked for actually shut down from being 2 weeks of a closure to after 3 months they closed doors.
Yes.
I ended up working for a pallet company that works out of a distribution center up here. They started me at $18 an hour. And you know what? With not calling off and showing up every day, working that overtime, I'm now the on-site manager for this multi-million-dollar company. I make more money than I could ever imagine in this area. And I can't stress enough how important it is for people right now. If you really want to go for it, go for it. They will move you. If you show up and you show, they are paying more attention now than ever.
I was going to say, it's about time we got back to rewarding those who put in the hard work and who show up, period. That is great, James. What a good story to hear on a Wednesday. Are they still hiring?
I'm glad somebody liked it.
Are they still?
No, I just actually hired a whole bunch of people, and I just promoted several other people who worked very hard and did not call off, and they did what they had to do. They learned the business, and they're all moving up the ladder right behind me.
That's fantastic. It's good to see the companies are doing that. So I encourage people to get out to CareerLink today and tomorrow and Friday to see what else is available in Northeast PA, because there are many fantastic opportunities. Who would have thought a pallet company, James? Who would have thought?
Yeah, just show up, do what you're supposed to do. If you actually put a little pride in your work right now, people will notice, and it goes a long way.
Beautiful. Thanks for sharing. I appreciate it. Call us again sometime, all right?
Thanks. Have a good day.
You
Bye.
too, honey. Bye-bye. All right.